There's still open. Little Camaro. Oh, it was that one. Okay. Let's go see what they're talking about over here. Do I go that way or do I need to come this way? I guess it don't matter. Entrance only. Okay. Let's take this one. Gosh, they look very narrow. Credit card? Yes. Okay. Let her just sink in. Okay. We're here at 11:33 p.m. Let's get it. In fact, we'll keep the camera rolling. Let's get up out the car. Let her sit. Probably gonna need my credit card for this. Brought water, brought gloves, brought a little some everything. Okay, are we here? This is the before. Oh my goodness, horrible on the back especially. Definitely not using that. What does that look like? Ooh, yeah, that looks good. Got the whole place to myself. How do I get out of here though? I guess I go that way. Now the front's not bad. It's really just the back, but like here, all of that, that's gotta go. That's gotta go. But yeah, let's get it. Let's get this washing. All right, just finished up with the wash. It is like 12:33. Time to get home. Hopefully, let's see. No, let's see. I think it's that kind of view that we want. So like, yeah. Okay. Messing my view up. All right, let's get home. I've been here for too long. Man, the glove started getting sticky or left some residue on my hand. I don't know. Holy Jesus, that's a dip. Thank God I pressed the brake. That is a dip. Lord have mercy. I am amazed by how big of a dip that is to get out of the watch. They definitely don't have a water runoff issue or like it, I don't know, getting stuck up in there. Taco Bell's still open. There's no way. Oh snap, I really don't want to be going this way. I remember the best way to kind of get out of here is not over there because of how steep that incline is. So we're gonna go this way. Come on, light. Let me get home. Come on. There you go. Can I get in front of you, sir? those high beams off, sir, please. Can't see already. See? Can't see here. Oh, man. Way to ruin the fun. There's no cars even coming. What are you doing? Thank goodness I got in front of that guy behind me. Left him. Got the little lineup going. See, I am entirely too close. I like to get a little far away, if you know what I'm saying. Close to the line. I'm still in my space, so don't worry about it. Trust me, watch this. Open the door. Yo, this backup camera for a base model Mustang. Ford did a great job, but look at this. We're in the line, guaranteed. See? And that's that.